Let me ask you, can anything or anyone ever truly replace a father in a child's life? I've noticed something strange in how people talk about fathers. When a father leaves, people don't panic.
No.
They just say the mother will cope or the government will step in.
Yeah.
It's almost like the world has quietly agreed that fathers are replaceable.
Correct.
That a check, a school program, or a strong mom can fill the gap. But I don't believe that's true.
No.
A father is not just a wallet. And he's not just an extra pair of hands.
Correct.
He's something deeper. So let me ask you, can anything or anyone ever truly replace a father in a child's life?
I will say this straight.
Okay.
No matter what anyone tells you,
Yeah.
my daughter, a father can never be replaced. People like to comfort themselves with lies. They say the mother will cope. In Europe, the government is always stepping with single parent pay. The village will raise the child. But the reality is this. Children still end up broken, searching, bleeding inside because a father's DNA never disappears from a child's soul just because he walked away. Look at America now, especially the black communities, where fathers have disappeared at levels no other community has seen before.
Yes.
Almost 2/3 of black children grow up without dad in the home. And what has happened? The prisons are filled with young black men. Most of them raised without fathers. Over 70% of juveniles in state institutions come from fatherlessness home. The streets are flooded with crime. Chicago, Baltimore, Detroit, name the city. Heavenly good. When you trace the gun violence, the gangs, the dropout crisis, you find boys without fathers. Now, let's go to the black girls in America. Many are growing up confused about what to expect from men. Early pregnancy, toxic relationships, cycle of abuse. And the sad thing, many of them will admit, I just wanted love. I just wanted my father. This is not because their mothers didn't love them.
Yes.
Many of those mothers worked 2 jobs. They sacrificed everything, gave all they had. But love from one parent cannot erase the absence of the other.